What does it take to succeed as a professional organizer? The key to success lies in a combination of professional training, certification, proven processes, proper business training, and effective selling techniques. First and foremost, professional training and certification are crucial in establishing yourself as a credible and knowledgeable organizer. Our comprehensive training program equips you with the skills, techniques, and industry best practices to excel in this field. By completing our certification, you not only gain valuable expertise, but also a way to provide peace of mind to your customers who trust that you have undergone rigorous training. Imagine you're a homeowner overwhelmed with clutter and disorganization in your living space. You decide it's time to seek the help of a professional organizer. You come across two organizers offering their services, one with professional training and certification, and the other without any credentials. Who would you choose? It's clear that the organizer with the proper training and certification instills confidence and trust. By displaying your certification, you instantly convey your expertise and commitment to delivering exceptional results. Your customers can rest assured knowing that they are working with a knowledgeable professional who has undergone rigorous training to provide the highest level of service. But it doesn't stop there. Having a proven process sets you apart from the competition. Our course ensures that you learn how to approach organizing projects efficiently, consistently, and with the best outcomes in mind. With a systematic approach, you can tackle any organizing challenge with confidence, knowing that you have a well-defined process that delivers results. Imagine you're faced with a daunting organizing project, a cluttered and chaotic office space. Without a proven process, you might feel overwhelmed and unsure of where to begin. However, as a professional organizer who has completed our course, you have a clear advantage. You know exactly how to approach the project step by step, ensuring efficiency, consistency, and the best outcomes for your client. From assessing the space to creating a customized organizing plan, you follow a proven process that guarantees success. Your clients appreciate your systematic approach, knowing that they can rely on you to transform their space into one that is functional, organized, and stress-free. Running a successful organizing business also requires the proper business training. You'll learn how to operate your business profitably, price your services properly, and offer your customers a range of options to suit their needs. By understanding the business side of organizing, you can create a sustainable and thriving enterprise that supports your financial goals. With our program, you'll gain the knowledge and skills to effectively manage and grow your organizing business. Let's say a potential client contacts you for a consultation to declutter and organize their home. With the proper business training, you can confidently discuss pricing options that are fair to both you and your client. You understand the value of your services and can provide flexible packages tailored to their specific needs. Your professionalism and business acumen set you apart from the competition, allowing you to build a loyal client base and achieve long-term success as an entrepreneur in the organizing industry. Selling is another essential skill for a professional organizer. Our unique training program goes beyond the traditional hard sell approach. We focus on empowering you to inspire customers to want to work with you. It starts with developing your branding and crafting a unique message that stands out in the market. By delivering a great product or service and running your business properly, you create a foundation for success. And with excellent professional organizing using our proven system, you can exceed your clients' expectations, leaving a lasting impression that generates referrals and repeat business. Imagine you're meeting with a potential client who is overwhelmed by clutter and seeking professional help. You have completed our unique training program, which has equipped you with the skills to excel not only as an organizer, but also as a salesperson. During the consultation, you confidently showcase your branding and unique message that resonates with the client's specific needs. You explain how your services go beyond just organizing spaces to also transforming lives by creating functional and harmonious environments. By running your business with excellence, and utilizing our proven system, you assure the client that their project will be handled with utmost professionalism and efficiency. Your expertise and personalized approach build trust and confidence, leading the client to eagerly choose your services. With your outstanding sales skills, you not only help clients declutter their spaces, but also make a positive impact on their lives while building a successful and fulfilling career as a professional organizer. Our program provides you with a proven system to manage your entire organizing business, from the initial startup phase to sustainable growth and even building a team. You'll have the tools and knowledge to navigate each stage successfully. We guide you on setting up efficient systems, managing projects, and scaling your business to meet the increasing demands of your clients. By investing in your education and honing these essential skills, you can build a thriving business that brings you fulfillment, financial rewards, and the potential to perhaps one day sell it for a handsome profit. It all starts with our professional organizing course, designed to equip you with everything you need to become a successful organizer.